Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your milkshake. First, gather your essential ingredients: ice cream, milk, and any flavorings you desire. For the best results, select a good quality ice cream, as it forms the base of your shake. Make sure your milk is very cold. This helps achieve that perfect, thick, and creamy consistency we all love. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's talk blending. Always add your liquid ingredients like milk to the blender first. This helps the blades move freely and prevents air pockets. Begin blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase to a higher setting. Blend until your milkshake is perfectly smooth and creamy. Be careful not to overblend, as this can make your shake too thin and watery. This is where the fun begins: customization. Feel free to experiment with different additions like fresh fruits, chocolate syrup, or crushed cookies to create your signature flavor. For a nostalgic touch, try adding a spoonful of malt powder. It gives a wonderful, classic diner taste. Finally, don't forget the toppings. Whipped cream, sprinkles, and a cherry on top make your milkshake look as good as it tastes. Your delicious homemade milkshake is ready. For the best experience, pour it into a chilled glass and serve it immediately. A wide straw is perfect for enjoying those thicker, creamier concoctions. There's nothing quite like a fresh, cold milkshake on a warm day. And speaking of fresh, if your car could use a little pick-me-up, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.